Here we have a 22 plate BMW M135i. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M135i Pro package. You'll also find the LED headlights, we have the gloss black front splitter and performance kits. So as we come around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. The blue brake calipers behind. Colour-coded door handles, we have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler. We do also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back looking nice and aggressive with the dual exhaust, M135i badging as well on the right. Taking a look inside the boot, just lift it open like so. You'll find we have a decent amount of space inside of here, partial shelf at the top, and as we take a closer look just inside of there, you can also see we have hooks either side and also the storage net on the right. Handle just underneath so we can pull it back down. And then back around to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the interior, we'll have a look inside of the back first. Inside of here you'll find the cloth seats, we have the fixed ISO points as well, the M Sport style seat belts, vents in the centre along with Type-C USB ports, electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. Again at the front, the same cloth seats and also M Sport style seat belts. Both front seats are being heated. I'm just going to take a seat inside. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows. We also have the automatic wipers just here and the automatic lights behind down there. Digital dashboard, multifunctional steering wheel. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. We've got the cruise control, speedometer here on the left, paddle shifters as well. The high beam assist just there on the left as well. Digital dashboard is free from any warning lights other than fully fuel range, so nothing to worry about. We do also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. Currently showing the sat nav, but again plenty more features on here. If we go through them, we have the media, so if we click onto media, you've got the radio stations and the other media options here which we can scroll through. We've got the phone connectivity for phone calls. Onto the apps, you'll find a range of different apps that are installed. Go over to the left and we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Onto the main menu, if you go onto the car settings, you'll find we do have the interior ambient lighting, plenty of different colour options to go through. It runs across the dash just here and also across the doors. Looks really nice at night time. We do have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the climate control. We do have the dual zone for the front, heated seats and also ice cold air conditioning, all working as it should do. Some storage space down here with the two cup holders. We also have the automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes just like so. Into reverse and the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, you'll then find the electric handbrake and also the auto hold button. Finally, the armrest here in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next to delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M135i. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fire the steering to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which is showing different displays. Now we are just at a junction, so slowing down, right indicator on to make sure there's no cars coming. There's one that's going. So it's safe to turn right now. We're going to continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you want to stick the car into manual mode. Now if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have plenty more features from the interior. We've got the cloth seats for example, which are really comfortable. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them at cold photos. We do also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Now again, right indicator on, we're going to slow down, make sure it's safe to turn right, so there's no cars coming, so turning right, and then again continuing on our way, get up to speed, start to accelerate, going through the gears with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes. We've got the ones down here, so you can easily switch through the drive modes while driving. And we are approaching the dealership. We're going to take it nice and steady as we come around this bend, and then left indicator on, slow down, turning left onto the dealership, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold onto the brakes, into reverse, parking sensors appear on the screen, and then back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions along with an make rise review. That's all from me today though. Cheers.